Hi everyone, Miss Joelle here for a Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you a couple fun little tips for adding images to Google Slides. So a couple of things. I'm going to be using my lovely puppy Bennett as a model. So Bennett here is in just a regular image. I just saved it to my computer and dragged it onto my slide. A few different things I can do with him. If I want to crop him, I can obviously, crop him in like normal ways and make him make the picture smaller and cut things out. But there is the cutest little option if you click this arrow that I can turn him into some shapes. So I can turn him into a little heart, and then Bennett's a little heart. I can turn him into literally anything if I wanted an arrow pointing and I wanted Bennett's face in it for some odd reason. Anyway, so you can change arrows into that. Also, I think this is the cutest thing ever. You can do call outs. So like I could make somebody like having a thought bubble and like thinking about Bennett. The cutest thing ever. Oh, he's so cute. Anyway, so those are the different cropping options that you have. Another really quick image option that I wanted to show, I'm actually going to use it with a background on the next slide. So I just have a completely blank slide here, which I got from this down arrow, and I went down to select the blank version. And then you can just do Control or Command D to just, have to be clicked on it. So as long as I'm clicked over here on the side, I can just do Control or Command D to duplicate the slide that I already have. Anyway, so on this one, I'm going to choose a background, and I'm going to choose an image, and I'm just going to do an image Google search because I haven't picked one yet. And I think I want the Colosseum. Oh God, I don't know how to spell that. We'll just do it in Italian. All right. So here's the Colosseum. And what I'm going to do is I'll pick this one at night. So cute. And I'm going to insert that as my background image. So now my slide is has the background of the Colosseum at night. So let's say I wanted to add in like a bird flying in the sky. So I can do insert image, right? I can search the web and I can look for a bird. But you will notice that, let's do a flying bird. When I get my bird flying, watch what happens. I put this in, and even if I make this small, it has this weird ugly background, and that doesn't look like a bird flying, so it kind of ruins my picture. So what I'm going to search for is I'm going to search for flying bird transparent. And honestly, not all of the options always work out here, but this one looks like it will be transparent. And so there it goes. And now when I make it smaller, I can put it in the corner, and because it has that transparent background, it looks like it's actually flying. And I'm going to show you the coolest thing ever. So ready for Bennett when he was a puppy. Too cute to handle. So here's Bennett. He's in my living room. If I put Bennett here in front of the Colosseum, it doesn't look like he's at the Colosseum because there's a background and he looks like he's in my living room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to remove.bg, and you can find that by simply Googling background remover, whatever. I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to choose this little screenshot of Bennett. I upload it here. It has now removed my background. I'm going to download my new image. I'm going to save it as, Bennett. And now, when I come over here to my slide, I'm going to take Bennett with no background. And look! He's here and he's at the Colosseum. And here's little Bennett, my little puppy at the Colosseum. So anyway, you can have fun with that, especially history teachers, if you want to put yourselves in some images. So I hope that was helpful. Have a beautiful week, and I'll see you next Tuesday.